Now this is the second part. Okay, output device. So output device is a output device. The output devices are used to display the result and information. Suppose we are using our output device is like monitor. Okay, so what is our work for monitor? Monitor is a display all the activity, all the tasks on a screen. Okay, so that is called our output device. Any other output device like a printer, speakers, all these things are output devices. Suppose here output devices is a see, this is a output device. Okay, so output device is a first is what? Monitor. Okay, second is a printer, third one is a speaker. Okay, so these are the output device. We will see the monitor images. Okay, see, this is the different monitor. Understand? So these all are the our monitor. This is the output devices. The next one is a printer. So these are the different printers. See, you will get the different HP laser printer, different company, Canon printer. These all are color printers, and these are the black and white printer. Okay, this one is black and white printer, this one is black and white printer. This kind of printers are colors and black and white also available. See, all are the images here display for a printer. Understand? So these are the different kind of printer. You will see lots of printers, lots of available. Okay, so these are the another output devices. Now we will see the speakers. Here we will see a speaker. See, different speakers available here. Okay, see, you will get the different speaker, different size, different colors. Okay, all the different varieties of a speaker is available. So you will get the different in a price. So these are the speakers of a output device. Now next topic is a storage device. So our storage device is a special device which are used to store data and instruction in a computer are called storage devices. The special devices, okay, which are used to store data and instruction. Like here we will see the storage device. See, these all are the storage devices like pen drive. Okay, here the hard disk. This is the hard disk. Okay, CD, DVD. Okay, these all are the storage devices. Understand? So storage devices, what is the used to store data and instruction in a computer are called storage devices. All the data and instruction stored in a particular spaces. Okay, that is called storage devices. Okay, so these are the storage devices. Which one is the storage devices? Suppose CD is stand for compact disc. Okay, external hard disk, DVD, pen drive, all are the storage devices. Okay, so here we will see the CD images. Okay, see, these all are the CD, different CDs images. Okay, and second one is a hard disk. See, this is the these all are the hard disk images. Okay, these are the external hard disk. Okay, that you can attach the outside the computer or CPU. On these are the internal hard disk that is automatically automatically connected in a CPU. Okay, so these are the different storage devices. Another is a pen drive. Okay, so these are the different pen drives. Okay, so these are also one small storage devices. This pen drive is available in 32 GB, 8 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB, okay, 64 GB. So these are the different company and size related pen drives. So these also called a storage devices. Now next topic is a software. What is a software? Okay, the software is a set of instruction given to the computer to do a particular task. When we are give instruction to a computer for a particular task by using what, that is called our software. Okay, whichever environment we are using, that is called our software to perform a particular task in a computer. Okay, so there are basically two types of software, system software and application software. How many types of software? System software and application software. First is a system software. Second one is a application software. Okay, so what is the system software? System software is control the overall function of a computer. Overall function of a computer means like our operating system. So these are the, without, see, we have a software like a Notepad, Paint, but we don't have a and also we have also mouse, keyboard, CPU, all these things, but we don't have operating system. So how we can use, by using mouse or keyboard to draw the paint or type the some characters. Okay, so we need the operating system. The operating system is basically to work, okay, basically work for the basically work to connect with the software and our hardware, that is called our operating system. So operating system, this also kind of a system software. So there are basically many operating system like Windows 7, okay, like Windows Windows 7, 8, 8.1, okay, 8.1, 10, okay, these are the Windows operating system. Another operating system is the Linux operating system. Okay, another operating system is the Mac operating system, that is used in Apple computers. Okay, so these are the different Linux and Unix also is a similar. Okay, Linux and Unix. So these are the operating system, that is called our system software. Now second one is a application software. So application software is what? Application software, second is a application software. Okay, so application software is what? Application software is used to do specific task on a computer. Application software is what? Do specific task on a computer. When the system software runs the computer smoothly, we need a software to do different kinds of work. See, operating system is one kind of system software, but in a system software, if we need some proper work, so we need some application software. Like suppose I want to type up one letter, okay, for a school. So how I can type? By using MS Word. But MS Word is what? MS Word is an application software. Understand? So Notepad, our Notepad, when we want to type, okay, so using a Notepad. So Notepad is one kind of application software. So MS Paint, MS Paint is also one kind of application software. Okay, so there are basically many MS Office, okay, MS Office, Paint, then Notepad, then WordPad. These all are the application software, and many more are application software particular as per your requirement. Video and messaging application like Skype, okay, Google Meet, Skype and Google Meet. by using this kind of application software, you can video conferencing. Okay, you can do video conferencing and messaging to a particular person, okay, or group of in a group of person. So these all are the application software. Understand? So in this lesson we learned about the hardware and software. What is the hardware, what is the software, what is the input devices, what is the output devices. Understand? And there are the software, and the software has two types. First one is system software and application software. System software is called our communication between the hardware and software, that is called system software, for example operating system. And application software means for a particular application you can use for particular task. Okay, so that is called our application software, like MS Word, Notepad, Paint, Skype, Google Meet. All these things are particular application software. So here our chapter first is finished, and I will send you notes, okay, for the exercise. Okay, so fill the exercise in a textbook and write down all the complete exercise also in a notebook. So thank you, and if you have any doubt you can ask me, okay, anytime. So thank you and Jai Swaminarayan.